Yoga is a popular form of exercise and relaxation that has gained immense popularity recently. Whether you are new to yoga or an experienced practitioner, you likely use a yoga mat for your practice. But have you ever wondered if yoga mats are toxic? This blog post will explore the potential health risks associated with yoga mats and how to choose a safe and non-toxic mat for your practice. The concerns. Yoga mats are made from various materials, including natural rubber, PVC, and TPE. PVC, in particular, has come under scrutiny due to its potential health risks. PVC is a plastic polymer that can release toxic chemicals, such as phthalates, during manufacturing and use. These chemicals can disrupt hormones and have been linked to reproductive and developmental issues. Another concern is the use of antimicrobial agents in yoga mats. These agents are added to prevent the growth of bacteria and fungi, but some studies have shown that they can harm human health. For example, triclosan, an antimicrobial agent commonly used in yoga mats, has been linked to antibiotic resistance and endocrine disruption. How to choose a non-toxic yoga mat. To ensure that your yoga mat is safe and non-toxic, there are a few things you can look for. Material: choose a mat made from eco-friendly materials such as natural rubber, cork, or jute. Avoid mats made from PVC or other synthetic materials. Certification: look for certifications such as Eco-Tech Standard 100 or the Global Organic Textile Standard, GOTS, to ensure the mat meets safety and environmental standards. Antimicrobial agents: choose a mat that does not contain antimicrobial agents. Alternatively, look for mats that use natural antimicrobial agents such as tea tree oil or silver. In addition to these tips, taking proper care of your yoga mat is essential. Clean it regularly with a natural and non-toxic cleaner, and avoid exposing it to direct sunlight or high temperatures. In conclusion, yoga mats pose health risks if made from toxic materials or contain harmful antimicrobial agents. To ensure that your yoga practice is safe and healthy, choose a mat made from natural and eco-friendly materials and look for certifications that indicate safety and environmental standards. By taking these steps, you can enjoy the benefits of yoga without exposing yourself to unnecessary health risks. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to learn more. Go to spiritualserenade89.com. Have a great day on purpose.